So the add a new scene button is right up here. We've got scene 2 adding in right now. And now you can see scene 1 and scene 2. So I can just click on this scene and it should return to it. And then it's going to go to the second one. And if I were to press play, it's just going to cycle in between those two because it always loops back to the beginning. Let's orbit and take a look at the house from another angle. So let's maybe go down to a low angle. We don't need to see the bottom, but here's a nice 3/4 view. Again, let's make sure that we're in nice and close. We're going to be cutting off the top part of the screen and the sides, so just want to center it just about right there. And then you open scenes back up, add a new one. I think you want at least 5 scenes to really show this off. So keeping in mind orbiting now up to the top, let's take a view of the house from the top so we can see the roof and the fact the chimney is hollow. And again, making sure we have that pretty well centered. There we go. Let's add one more scene here. Scene number 4. And then we'll orbit back down to look at it maybe from this side. We've got a good 5 scenes, all the different angles on the house. And let's see what it looks like when it loops. So we're here at scene 5. If I click on scene 1, it's going to orbit back around that way. So now I'm ready to hit play and see what that looks like. So this is what we are going to screen capture. And it is going to cut it off a little bit in order for us to stay fairly close. But this will then show off your house from all the different angles, show off all the textures and colors and the structure that you've made. If you have made anything with a lot of detail, doorbells and doorknobs and keypads and anything like that, then doing a zoom in scene on that part and then coming back out makes a lot of sense. But for our basic house, this would be good enough. Now recording this is going to be done with ScreenPal. It's a different kind of video tutorial to make because I can't use the screen capture program to capture itself. So I do have an older video that should work okay for us for creating that MP4 video that we are going to save.